What's going on, everyone? My name is Lxcon and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of Adidas' newest silhouette, the Adidas Lxcon. Yes, I actually kind of like that name. Where the hell they got that name from? Yeah, this is the infamous Jonah Hill sneaker that they gave him to promote. Now, this shoe released on February 2nd for only a price tag of $120. That's cheap. I feel like that's typical for Adidas when it comes to some of their newest silhouettes. Doesn't feature like Prime Knit or Boost. Tends to be on that lower tier price range. My wallet is super happy when it's on that lower tier. Now, this shoe is actually kind of cool. This one right here, they're calling it Cloud White and Active Blue. There was two colorways that dropped on February 2nd. It was this one, and then it was like a Cloud Brown and Active Purple. Obviously, I decided to go with this one because it's super wearable. I'm digging this shoe. I'm liking this a lot. Features of the shoe, it's pretty simple. It's a mesh upper, and you have the three stripes. Obviously, it's in that active blue color, which is really nice. And then it has like this weird piping. I don't know what it is, but they use this piping that goes all the way around the shoe. They wrap the laces around the piping. They took the piping that goes all the way around, and it goes all the way around back to the heel, and that's your pull tab on the back. Immediately when I look at this shoe, it reminds me of super tech wear. So if you're into that tech streetwear, this is definitely a shoe for you. The shoe also features Adiprene for a sole. It's kind of like an older technology, bringing life back into it with the Yeezy 500. That was like one of the first ones in a while that featured it. Comfort-wise on this shoe, it's firm. The shoe is very firm. It's not uncomfortable at all. It's firm, it's comfortable, like meaning like you can walk all day in it. You won't have any issues. The upper is really comfortable. It's like this mesh. I can't wait to see more colorways in it, but even more, I hope that they do some collaborations featuring this silhouette. I did see there was an amber red around the side, and then it fades up into a black. I think it might have been a sample, but hopefully it gets passed through. Sizing on this, go true to size. This is definitely a great new silhouette. They've been killing it though. Come on, no one gives them credit when it comes to this for Adidas. For start of like this year, they dropped the Adidas Ultra Boost 19. They dropped the Night Jogger, new silhouette, that's dope. They dropped these, new silhouette, but yeah, they've been on a roll. So this is the Adidas Lxcon. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. I'm gonna throw this on feet, give you guys a better look at the sneaker. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.